Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today on Monday March the 2nd 2020 we have also a medium Sudoku, one Sudoku for today, just like Saturday I screw up with a medium Sudoku, messed up. This time a medium Sudoku, I will be careful not to make the same mistake. I overlooked the 9, so if you continue with the error, then you screw up with the medium Sudoku. So you need to do it all again, and it takes time. So this time I'm sure I will be double check with every digit. Enough talking, let's get started. Alright, I see a 3 in this row, a 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here and there. But I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. In the middle row, I see the 8 and the 5 here, 5 and the 8. So here 5 in this column, a 5 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here and there. The same with the 8. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here and there. So we have a pair, 8 and 5, 8 and 5. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait for more information there. Yes, alright. I see here 9 in this row, a 9 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 9 should be here. So we have a 9, 3, 8, 5, 8, 5, 7. So 3 missing numbers in the middle column. The numbers are 1, 6, and 2. 1, 6, and 2. I see here 6, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. The 6 should be there. So here we have 2 numbers, 1 and 2, 1 and 2 left as a pair. 8 and 5, 8 and 5. The other 2 numbers, 1 and 2, are the numbers 9 and 4. We have a 9 there, so no 9 there, 9 should be here. And the 4 goes there, 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 4 is here and there. But I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. In this big square, we have a 8 and a 5, 8 and 5, but also 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. I see here 1. No 1 in these 2 boxes. I see there 1. No 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be this one. We have also a pair here in this big square. I see here 3 and a 9. So no 3 and a 9 in this big square. Here we have an 8 and a 5, so here should be also 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. Because we have a 3 and a 9 over there. That means 3 and 9, 3 and 9, 8 and 5, 8 and 5. These two boxes are left for the 7 and the 8 and the 5, 3 and the 9, 7 and the 2. 7 and the 2. We have a 2 there. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 1 box missing in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing here. No. Yes. 8 and a 5, 8 and 5. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. 3 and a 9. I made also a mistake again. The 2. We have a 2 there. So 7 and a 6. Wow, 7 and a 6. This should be a 6. Double check. This should be a 6. We have a 2 there. So 1 box left. That should be the 2. Yes, the 2. Here we have 2 boxes left for this big square. For the numbers 1 and 7. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be there, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 2 and 8. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes here. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in this row, the only place for the 8 should be here. I heard the alarm. This alarm is always on the first Monday of the month on 12 o'clock. So you know that. Don't be scared. There are no rockets or bomb alarm. All right, let's continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing and 7 is missing. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. Here, the numbers of this big square, the numbers 4 and 7 are missing. We have a 7 here, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 4 goes there. Here, the numbers 1 and 2 are missing. We have a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes here. Then, let's see. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 4, yes. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Then what can I do? Can I do something with the... No. Yes, in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. I see over there a 3. No 3 in these 2 boxes. I see here a 3. No 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be this one. We have a 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. I see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be here. One box left in this column for the number 9. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So in the last column, the only place for the 9 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, and 6 is missing, and 8 is missing. I cannot fill this yet. 6 and 5, yes. 5, 6 and 8. I see here 6 and 5, so no 6 and 5 in this box. The 6 and 5 should be here, in these two boxes. So one digit left for the 8. 6 and 5, 6 and 5. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 5 goes there. Now I can fill these two numbers, because I know the two numbers are 8 and 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then two numbers left in this row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We have a 6 there, no 6 here, 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And then two numbers left in this column for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 here. 3 should be there, 2 should be there. One box left for the last column for the number 6, I believe. Yes, 6 is missing. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row, so in the third row. The only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. I see here 6, no 6 there. I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Then 3 in this column, 3 in the third column, so in the column between the second column, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. I see here 3, no 3 there. I see there 3, no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. I see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column, so in the first column, the only place for the 9 is here. One digit left for this row for the number 4. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column, so in the first column, the only 2 places for the 4 is here or there. I see here 4, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. Then 2 numbers left. No, I need to wait. 2 numbers left in the third row. Can I fill this yet? The numbers are 8 and 1. 8 and 1, yes, we have a 1 there, so no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place for the 8 should be here. 1 digit left for this big square. For the number 5, 1 number left in the second column for the number 2. 2 numbers left for this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. No, we have a 4. 2 and 1. 2 and 1. We have a 2 there. No 2 here. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column, in the third column. The only 2 places for the 1 is here or there, but I see here 1. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 7 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. One number left in the first row for the number 7, one number left for the big square for the number 8, and the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 7 and 5. We have a 7 here, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Alright, people. Thank you for watching. This time went well, so better than the last time, because last time took me more than 40 minutes for a medium Sudoku, but this time is a regular medium Sudoku. Almost made a mistake, but if you do the double check, then you can repair that. Anyway, thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you dislike it. Download the PDF file so you can solve it by yourself or make it by yourself. You can also subscribe if you like or if you want. Anyway, again, thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow for a new edition, probably again for a new Sudoku Medium. Bye bye, folks.